Magandang araw mga bossing. Panibagong araw na naman. Meron akong gagawin ngayon kitchen bathroom top. Madugong labanan to kasi dalawa kitchen tsaka bathroom. Hanap ako ng top dito. Ito pang bathroom. Ito pang kitchen. Ito pang... Dalawa na natin baka wala akong basahin doon sa isang room. Tsaka bakit maliit. Iniwan yung bukas to. Oh. Hi.
Thank you.
No problem.
Bathroom is ready to do. We're just finishing it. We're just going to wash the kitchen now.
The kitchen? No leaking here?
No, I don't use them.
Okay, that one's ready?
Yeah. Bags, garbage. Is that enough room for you, Joseph?
Yeah.
Bad right now, so my legs are so far apart. That was how I fell. Still got my
hand?
Oh yeah, that would help, but I don't want to hurt your back. Oh.
Okay.
Oh shit. So my knees are bad too. Oh, thank you. That helped. That's my MS for you. I am using my cane religiously because I'm not going to do that again.
What screen?
In the bathroom?
Oh, the aerator?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did already.
Oh, amazing. Wow.
It was okay now?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Oh, that's nice. Do you mind if I watch? I used to be very mechanically inclined.
Sure, no problem. The bigger hole here.
I have a drill if you want.
Kailangan natin i-adjust to. Yung hole dito. Kukuha tayo ng drill. What do you have there?
It's a black adapter.
No, it's okay. I need the drill and the bit. Yung pinakamaliit ko yata. Pinakamaliit ko, half inch. Kailangan natin ng bit. Okay.
Have a great day. You're my hero for the day. I'll make you a hero for the week, actually.
Okay. Ooh, she make me work today. Oh my God. Magpapalit ako ng dishwasher ngayon mga kabossing. Masira yung dishwasher ng isang tenant namin. Bago pa yun, siguro mga 2 taon pa lang. Ayaw mag-lock yung pinto. Sabi ng mami bossing ko ay instead na tumawag ng repairman, palitan ko na lang kasi mahal ang pa-repair dito hassle pa. Siguro halos bumili ka na rin ng isang buong unit pagka nagpa-repair ka. Kailangan ko ito, ilaw, tsaka kailangan natin ito. Wala kasi akong bag Ang mangyayari, tatanggalin ko muna yung luma bago ko i-akyat yung bag. Hi Marlene!
Oh, hi!
Yeah, I'm here to place your...
You got one?
I have one, but I have to take out first before...
Okay, that's fine.
Garbage na to. Buti nila magaan-gaan ng konti ito. Meron na tayo naka-imbak doon 2 freeze. Punta ako ng Home Depot guys. Kasi iba yung connector ng tubig doon sa unang dishwasher kaysa dito sa bago. Malaki. Tag-ulan ngayon dito mga bossing. Madilim ang langit. Itong buong linggo ay makulimlim. Alam sa susunod na linggo kung mag-snow na. Pero nung last 3 days ago, nag-snow ng kaunti. Flexible pipe pala yung tawag doon. Sure ako merong ganun kalaki yung isang dulo ng flexible pipe na yun Meron kasi ako noon, maiksi lang. Pero gusto kong mahaba para sa dishwasher. Meron ako pang gripo lang. Yung sinasabi kong connector na tawag namin bossing. Hello? Tour closer ng alin? Ay mamaya, 504? Okay. Mamaya na. Babayad tayo.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
All right. Thank you. Whew. Ay, salamat. Kabili na tayo mga bossing. Ito yung importante. Yung ano na ito, protector na ito.
You try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Power, start, selection, cycle,
Yeah.
and then dry or something. Wash temperature, and that's it. Just push.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Joseph.
No problem.
Big job.
Bye now.
Bye-bye. Hold the door.
It's okay, I got it.
Okay. Hope your day is restful now.
Not yet. I still have one. Sakit sa tuhod guys. Nalod tayo. Hirap tumayo.